Yeah.
These 7 documents have been cited 230 times altogether.
Okay. All right.
Have you
Got
understood
that.
now?
Yes. Yes. I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever number we are having, how many times that particular, see, because it is most relevant. Why it came into most relevant? Because we can see that it is cited by 230 times.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Got that.
2 टाइम से आया.
Mm.
फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट से कितने ज्यादा
Mm-hmm.
वो रेलिवेंट हो गया, राइट.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
साइटेशन यहाँ से. एंड इट्स अ सिंपल रीजन कि अगर ज्यादा है एंड इट इज अ गुड जर्नल तो साइटेशन उसका ऊपर ही आएगा. सो इट्स
Mm-hmm.
सिंपल थिंग, इट्स नॉट
Mm.
हार्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट.
Got it.
You can see that all premium journals are coming in the top list because whatever is published in these journals, we always try to cite this. So even if there are 2 papers only of MIS quarterly or maybe of Journal of Business Research, but we are citing it again. So it goes 103 citation, right?
Yeah.
Can I move further?
Yeah. Please.
Source impact. So this is the H index of the journal. That means H index means 5 articles at least cited 5 times, right? So it work on minimum thing. So इसीलिए maybe जो last 5th article होगा वो 5 times ही होगा. कुछ 2-3 articles होंगे वो बहुत बार गए होंगे. So H index is kind of square matrix. Let's say I have 4 papers. One paper is cited 10 times, second paper is cited 2 times, third paper is cited 5 times, one more paper is cited 8 times. Let's say I have 4 papers. So my H index, my 4 paper has crossed 2 citation. So my H index will be 2, right? So it works like that. You can Google it, what is H index, you can understand that. So it gives H index. The higher the H index, the better it is, right? Now this is very important. Source dynamics. Now, what you can see earlier on this topic, Journal of Economic Behavior and Organization used to publish a lot, but now they are not publishing it. Maybe they are interested in any other paper. The foremost journal, International Journal of Consumer Studies, is on the top journal to target for this topic. Then British Food Journal, CITES, Journal of Consumer Marketing, Evolution, Journal of Business Research. So you can see that how quickly these journals are going. And this is not a surprise thing because nowadays you can see that research has become a very in thing. Everybody is into suddenly into research. So you can see the mad rush about the workshops also. Everybody is learning new thing and everybody is telling thing, and so there is a rush in general for the research. So you can see these. And moreover, this BOP thing, this migrated people, this mobile money is a new area of focus. So people journal have also taking it seriously and they are publishing it. Now I move to the author. ये नहीं चल रहा था इनका. Let me try again. It's not working. इनका एक सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं चल रहा है. So आप नहीं देख पाएंगे यहाँ से इसको. ये नहीं दे रहा है इसको. Sometimes it work also. So you need to keep trying. So there is another way to see that. It's not that there is the only way. In Scoopus also you can find the top author of your list. So you can go from there also. Now top author production. You can see that who is the top author? Chibakarthi C. Iska production. ये 2015 में he has written 2 articles, 14 में 1 article, 2020 में 1 article, and this article have received 2 citation, and in 2016 1 article. This article has received 0.8 citation per year.